Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be going step by step on how to part for small size knotless braids using the bricklayer method. I'll guide you through the entire process of sectioning the hair, so you can achieve clean professional parts every time. All right, let's jump right in. You'll start by sectioning the hair from ear to ear, which sets the foundation for the rest of the parts. First, I always do a rough draft part, then go back in with gel and a fine-tooth comb to sharpen the sections. This method makes parting easier and ensures the parts are super crisp. For small size knotless braids, we'll divide the hair at the back of the head into 4 horizontal rows. This structured sectioning will make it easier to create even parts at the back of the head for small size knotless braids. Starting at the nape of the neck, we'll work our way upwards, ensuring each row is neatly sectioned and aligned. Knotless braids can last up to 3 months with proper care. Keep your scalp hydrated with a leave-in conditioner or water and oil mix to prevent dryness and keep your braids looking fresh. Once the first 4 rows have been created, divide the row at the nape of the neck into 4 smaller parts. The size and placement of each part would depend on the shape of the client's head. For the next row, you'll stagger the parts, placing each part directly in the middle of the braids below it. This creates a brick-layered pattern, which makes the braids look fuller and more natural without adding too much hair. For this tutorial, we'll be using the bricklayer parting chart for small size knotless braids as a guide. The bricklayer parting technique not only makes the style look fuller without adding too much hair, but it also helps with scalp visibility, so the braids look clean and professional from every angle. You'll continue this pattern for the 3rd and 4th row, staggering each part for a fuller look. I created 5 parts on the 2nd row, 6 parts on the 3rd row, and 7 parts on the 4th row for small size knotless braids. Once you're done with the lower section, you'll move to the next section above the ear. For this part, I created 5 rows, then a final row at the top center of the client's head, making it a total of 10 rows for small size knotless braids. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more hairstyling content. For the first row above the ears, I made 14 parts, but the number may vary depending on the client's head size and hair density. As you continue upwards, you'll stagger the parts to maintain that clean, full look. For the 6th row, I made 15 parts. For the 7th row, I made 14 parts. For the 8th row, I made 13 parts, and for the 9th row, I made 12 parts. Alright, let's switch things up with a quick quiz to see if you've been paying attention. Why is the bricklayer parting method ideal for knotless braids? Is it because it creates a fuller look without adding too much hair? It makes the braiding process faster. It helps the braids last longer, or it reduces the amount of hair needed for braiding. If you guessed it creates a fuller look without adding too much hair, you're absolutely right. The staggered parts help distribute the braids evenly, reducing tension on the scalp and giving a more natural, seamless finish. After finishing the 5 rows above the ear, you'll move on to the final top section in the center of the client's head. For this section, I split the portion of hair into 2 straight rows and created 4 parts on each row. The number of braids on each row could vary depending on the client's head size. For a bigger head size, I would have created 5 parts on each row. This step helps ensure that the braids in the center lay evenly and blend seamlessly into the rest of the style. If you're trying this parting method for the first time, don't worry if it's not perfect right away. With practice, you'll get faster and create cleaner, crispier parts. And there you have it, y'all. Perfectly parted brick layer knotless braids. The brick layer method gives the braids a natural full look, while keeping the sections neat and well balanced. Taking your time with parting makes all the difference in achieving a flawless finish. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.